Hello sobke welcome kuri ase aji la program thakibo konyak aoleang festival laga program ja opore yanu bosibi aji date 4th April 2026 ase 59 yanu aoleang monu titan itu program de amahala chief guest kane Colonel Emliakam Ketzer CO 42 AR Mon taige invite kuri gena ase aro tai valid kuri na tai khala kiman team aibo tai khan bi amahan jani jabo aro itu auleng akla nohi gena ground bi inaugurate kurula ase duita program ekdam tangoro itu organize kuri na itia suru par apni khan ke dikhai dia ase notun channel paise bole please subscribe like share kuri dibi itu laga program de mota maiki folk dance thagibo aro AR aro itu public majore bi football match thagibo to aro itu introduction apni khan ke itu chenai dia ase itia makhala jeep case ai ase tai ahi gena makhala football ground inaugurate kuribo aro achi laga konyak aoleang festival program de attend kuru karne aha kana tagi bisi khushi paise itia ground inaugurate kuribole taike time di ase thank you, God bless you.
Wang ba sama le pong nyet he yanga eleng cha mu wang dau koma kong ko mengenang Israel Katalan hayang atau Filisa Katalan pama yo nga yumai bu ya fen ngo bu pong hibak chama saji Samuel iya ya san yali lang na ka wang sepchi yung tau yanga tau ha ki ihunang tau faima Samuel long cha ya ave hayang ha tau misba hai sen ni pa ma ang hayang tau ba men binazar se nyek hayang I sa de ngoye yung wa ba tamande jamyangge hado samai lam ko moi man jing na lang de men yong bu fanangge sama baya hado nyu jing ba so yanga tuman ling jon talak tangau talak wana wa dalang udu bu nang chawa tambu yala bu ya ka se yini ba chi su kre sa da fan pha chawa dama moi ma yu yup nang tolana se pa nang mo ye amen kawanga yalak pa mohemana tamha.
Without any further delay, please allow me to highlight the events for today's program. 59th Yanu Aoleang Monu Titan Aoleang Festival cum inauguration of football field construction. Date 4th April 2026. Venue Yanu Football Field. Time 9:45 a.m. onwards. We are sorry for the inconveniences. Special guest Colonel Imliakam Ketzer, CO42 AR Mon. Special invitees Sri Manpang Wangyan and Sri Naubo Wangnau, Village Council Chairman. Host Srimati Mercy Wangnau, Education Secretary, Yanu Students Union. We have shortly witnessed the arrival of our chief guests and then the special invitees, and we are done with inauguration of football field construction and the dedication of football field by our pastor Pongjay, Yanu Baptist Church. Thank you, sir, for doing the honor. Opening prayer, Pastor Changmai, Yanu Laishan Baptist Fellowship. Opening address, Sri Ngamnei Wangyan, President, Yanu Students Union. Festival greetings, Sri Zanai Wangsapa. Special number, Sri Nauli Wangnau. 10:20 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Speeches, 1. Sri Naubo Wangnau, Village Council Chairman. 2. Sri Manpang Wangyan, which will be followed by the speech from our special guest. 10:45 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Traditional blessing, His Excellency Sri Awang Chongwang. Folk song, Yanu Female Troop. Folk dance, Yanu Male Troop. 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. We shall witness a match between 42 AR 11 versus YC 11. Word of thanks, Sri A. Pangay Wangsu, Vice President, Yanu Students Union. And lastly, closing prayer, Deacon Board, Yanu Baptist Church and Yanu Laishan Baptist Fellowship. which will be followed by the Aoleang feast by the invitations. Without further delay, let us go ahead with our program. Opening prayer, Pastor Changmai YLBF.
Yêu phạm mỗi màn đâm bu treo hiang ở yên gạo wang tàu ba đai đâm lưng yang ở nang đi yêu bậc khăm tan bu kia wai ke wang meng chu meng wan teng tên ở bang ang yang ở hipak amai ayan amai mỗi màn đâm bu yong wam ba ka wang nang đi lak pa mi yong phanang không vui bulan wang yang ở lokal lay bu da ang bu semal lam hima nang engan bong pha se sa da mana chona dai lak dai dem nang yak sa da phan na pha ở mỗi hima vong yu yo poi pa nang monga yang amen.
Thank you, Pastor, for evoking God's presence in our midst. Welcome, Etrace Sri Ngamnei Wangyan, President Yanu Students Union.
Respected Chair Lady, special guests, special invitees, pastors, associate woman pastor, associate youth, chief ang of Yannu, deputy ang Yannu, anola Yannu Wangsapa, the board, male troop, female troop, anola invitees, anola kemo onu zebea ani first time ang chang ami apu pa mangawai onu ilezia tege le bang bahaya apu pa mantol ani ju kema haya home culture ila taibu le ze le bang bahaya ani the culture of our forefathers haya islaibu ani kema ya culture to nu mahan pak ma ko nu chap mahan pak ma upang haile taila bu mai male mong mai le taibu anu ju welcome bahaya chile tambu Yede memorandum readout na kuragede. I would like to say thank you. Ida mohan agede kuan isna mohan ground inaga sufficient ground na thage gena ground kundiwale na pare gena shortage of financial city development nai. Holi bi ida babna na kura ida apni ganra ground kundi gena ida. Bisi ida 11 play bi kheliwole para ground inaga sufficient ground inaga kundi dise. So mohan bisi koshi paise. Thank you so much sir. Aru idebi apni gani debi jani ase dikhi ase ite pani girile bi ite ground pongchile tu bisi bhal gari kan bike kan aru ite mohan to ile main road pa ground tak namiule ite rasta tu bisi kacha pani giril tu man ground pongchu na pare ina ona bisi duk paise ide apni kan ground kan tu mohan bhapna upore bisi sufficiently ground tu inaga bonai dise to mohan ba mon bidor ba bhapna koi daga kotaru itu ase ki ide rasta ground de gari pongchu bole rasta side ile bi bisi bhal kogena dibi apni kan upore koi diase aru ede aji ede ground de race game nai apni kan dikhi ase to parile du race game bi ekdam bhal ba bonai dibo gena mokhala request mokhala appeal itu janai diase so ide mokhan memorandum ready guna ase to with respect I would like to read out this memorandum for all of us to the commandant officer 42 Assam Rifle Mon headquarters Nagaland subject request for construction of restroom and widening of approach road. Sir, I am writing to formally express our deepest appreciation for the continued support that Assam Rifles has extended toward the development of our community infrastructure. In particular, we remain grateful for the successful construction of the local ground by the Assam Rifles. The facility has already become a viral asset for our youth and local sports organization. To build upon this foundation and ensure the ground reaches its full potential for public use, We kindly request your father SS name with the following enhancement. One, construction of a restroom to complete to complement the existing ground facilities. The addition of a permanent restroom is highly recommended. This would provide necessarily hygiene facilities for players and vectors during match and community gathering. Two, widening of the approach road. While the ground itself is excellent, the current approach road is narrow and struggle uh, common- accommodate the volume of traffic during major events. Widening this access point is necessary to ensure the safety of spectators and participants. The completion of this additional work would further solidify the legacy of the Assam Rifles' contribution to our community. We remain hopeful for your favor consideration of this request. Thank you for your tireless service and commitment to our welfare. Sincerely, Namne Wangyan, President, Yanu Students Union, T. Pange Wangnau, General Secretary, Yanu Students Union. So I would kindly request also our chief guest to receive this monument. So idea kuan is na mokan besi kushi paigena apne ke receive kulese to mokan khali muk pahe kushi paise guli to mokan ite satisfy nai idu ba we have arranged a small token of love for all of you. So I would firstly request Colonel Saga Thapa, 21 C42 AR to kindly stand and receive the small token of love. Captain Subham, visit post WAR. Please stand on your feet and receive the small token of love. Hey, Bema. Kema, Ania, Tele. Manong Jampulaju, Mating Jampulaju, Amizer winning. Ia ground na, le. Sir Manpang, Chi Kaile. Kila ground na Vangwila, Yanu local ground na le. Ula tamne, Kipangwaya, Mumbai bu. Ezale, special guest ang Kempai Sir Manpang, Anala Sri Nabo Chairman. Ukiriju give tatam tele. Ukiju give receipt bahan pang ma. Anking mon mi mata mayong latan ko may. Sri Nabo, well as Chairman. Telema Sri Awang Chongwang. Telema Sri Zanai Wansapa. Telema Deputy Ang Yanu. Hello, ma. Pastor YBC. Pastor YLBF.
Festival greetings the ing Sri Zanai Vangsapa Kempe Patero Hanpak Dapan.
Yan nuka mreng belai de hai ba ban pa ma ju yan nuka na ta thei me le mong hom bo ten ten de se ba ani kama hai ba mo nang ba ami sahapam anau ju ikama sa nang man pam wele kang sen chamen yan nu wang pa ma kho ba deputy bam talan bam kang bram upong le kang sen member te la bo kam bu do man chong ba bo ku a Pat kaba zaile kamik tasa ani udia manma kata tade ani a putpun gang ata thapu udia nu paisam le heye zaila tha udia ka de ami yanu apu pam pongon khamdak kandole onu dia le sacha nu wale tala tala polangi sola tunu asa pai ba ni ke ma lila pai tele yanu upong le tandan nawan nam tingpa man pam ting ko ha kha zui lo ba wang pa ma kho ba mu pong la tai la po han pu ding la to ba han pa ding la to ba ke ma pu pa ma mo sa la to ba mo to salam sai tho ka lam cha lak cha pen nang ban pak ting ma kunyak nuwe April tarik ta sang kha azok kap pen ni ban nong ma o dia ko lo de pu he la 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 ni ke ma ni ta sa Gran jo talo tam o chu dia la ni ke ma ye program ma om bam to tala tala man chong pha bo he la lai le o ngai chu chalak cha pe nang ban pak ting ma pu ma pa ka ma pu ma pa chai ma pu ma pa jang lam sai kha he kam be to nang ban pak ting ma aponga sandeng government chu haya han pak ting ma tala tala kem to mo pang ban pak ting ma Zingang bahan pakting ma ke ma kaze dangwan ba haya kunyang nu mok la haile atha chu yan nu ke ma ozia sachawan pupa mok sala hai be motto salam hai na to ngan dola yaw le pala mata samna lama mi pia thochi ka ta ha mang sadik sadik lazingana mi pia thochi ka ta samok samok saka sanga salam salam lalam ngana Tingmai lam jeng la kuwa udianu man mazai po yanu hibang ke chongba lappa wangam pa ma khoba public nusa sikola ka ngupong dei po kanang ya ba phai apho ya ba phai tata ese ba phai tata tai nyang nau lam ba phai tata chai ka malale hale yang mok yang salah hai thing yanu kem chuwa mi jing ma jang lam lam ba khanak ha jang amui man alai tamai thế dài là kia mà khăn hay đi hay hay về mà nhỉ ôn đi ra phong ấy dễ hơn bạc cả vẫn hơn bây giờ vẫn ami nang apu pam udia nang á anh kim la lai lịch chỉ dia chắc cái vang sapa cái gì vang ấy chắc cái vang sapa sukai vang âm pa chạy thâu ra bay vang âm pa sukai halamok salah hay pu kim pa Zang lam sai kha chua alak avan to la mi mi ya la mi zang lam ton hao ton to la ma me li jua wat tang hao ma pu ma pa pong wan ting ma sai ma ka tai pu ma zang lam sai kha tai pu ma mo ma sat sat tai pu ako ju pong wan ting le ta ang ya ko tai pu he dai le mi pong wan ting lu bla ham pu he lan ma kim chua he ve sa sang la mai mo sa ngo la tung hai yêu gì nu man ma nam dần sai bala lai baka ile de tampo ani kho giang na phát tăng số năng opang tâm là tay la quậy tha hay ba kiếm sáp ba bu pam thô mà mai rong ba là phát số là quậy hao lùm bên chú tâm tăng na răng mang cô chú kiếm han bắc tinh ma pu răng mang cô chú kiếm cho mùi man phang ma pu kiếm mà mùi man năng la ha mai răng ma là một cái sao là pa hay ujanu ka mình tu le mi chung nhìn cái nào phải mi ai pa rồi khui phải yanu khanak nào sa ta le yanu ting hoa ha hoa mình làm mang la owa khanak chú chỉ tay le ku hala mong ham boy ai là khan hay đi hay ha mai răng ma là một cái sai kiếm pu kiếm pa uzia ni zok wan mong ma dia pu kiếm ni ta sa we la le hay na nya nu wa la le ma răng hấp răng ma ni za mang hi bo la uzia yo la yanu phai nào ting pa man pa ma chú hala te la hay ma uzia ani ke ma lai bang bo zia man chang ami pu pa khawai o zia la bang pa yaw haya ma titin tam ju man tai rang pho la ka pho la ka ngo pu he dai le haya u zia mot tho wa ama ma ma avat toi amai mai ke ma zan la lang ban tak ting ma man pam cho ka sang pam yan nu khanak wangam pa ma kho ba ha me long ma tu te wan pa phai ting cho ha kha yi te samang ting cho ha kha tho chi da ha mang ba han pak ting ma một cái sao le cua nó mà phá bên đình mà uzia mình mà mi pu pa mình như dốc với bằng quế bố nu bố sao là bằng quế hay mà yan nu phải nào vậy khali van tài lan tình mà ngô tia van tài ta sao bố mình chẳng hay uzia mà đó là sai nu ca sao để quế hay à chú le mà pa mà tây tình mà man pa phải hụt to là mình to là bala bố ham đây bala shon ham đây bala mok ham đây bala saham dai bala zingko mai se dai bala ya ko mai se dai zingdo bale mando bale malolo te chimok le zingo ko chu ma pam phai zingo ko chu ma tem phai pok tai ma ka din to mok sa pa kai liti hawan nu tho ma kin chu ham la pa le komong ham pe vivi la ta tang do po kim li ta o dia nu man ma ha dang moi man pa thank you
mong may lalawo pa tay do naw le phong ka ngau zai la boy phong zan sai la boy kem pang bayang ta tay le mong ham na te bu. For the special number now I give time to Sri Nauli Bangna.
Ami apu apanan Ayete ông bu chân nhi Âu lên mô nhu tại tâm phổ nê ya Chiều ít quan xem tư mô nhu Chạy nhiên nào lâm mong mây mô Mà ta tông niên lan sắp chân tư mong mây mô Trời yêu hoa tàn bư Ở đâu như nhu môi mà để tớ Yan tin băng nu ở tâm trà Nộp nu bồn lãng đông là trà Dòng bù yan tin chân chân tô lâm ra tâm vang Và trời man băng ngang cài Ở đâu như chinh hoang nguy tâm Trong bù phải đau tương màn mong mây na Nàng ơi yên hãy tuổi sâu thơ Dòng ban ba môi màn pha Ơi yên chân lâu sáng sao bù mơ ong tâm pha Trời yêu hoa tàn bư Ở đâu như nhu môi mà nè tơ Yan tin băng nu ở tâm trà Nông nu bông lãng đông là trà Dòng bù yan tin chân chân tô lâm rập tâm phang posti manuke imandang orkusi ani dise arupa kita kakan sundo ground bonai debi moi kan posti manuke itu lagi Taya wawa tanku Atau nyenyu moi maneta Yang di bang nuwa damcha Nong nu bolang dong dacha Song bu yang ting zan zan do lang rap tempat
Itu program chairperson aru yate YSU president aru angpa kiman jun yanu de leader khan ase bichi itu program enaga time bagane poila isroge dhunyabat dise aru amakhan invite kora nisina mosam biya hoilibi sir amna duyun yade yanu itu ground dedication program de ji hoilibi ahibo lagai goina mosam biya hoilibi duk pai gana yade pongja gane bishi amna duyun ke bi dhunyabat dise aru rasta de iku duk na pai gana yade pongja gane bi bogoman ke dhunyabat dise itu amakan yannu khan tu hoile horu moru ground de kheli gana bishi sal in the village tournament de jaye se kinaga koribo koina IG Assam Rifle officer khan Kimanjun army khan officer khan ase manpang bra let kuri gana angpa bra let kuri gana amakan request kora nisina itu ground available dia kane bishi thanks dise aru bi moi khan laga baba tu apna khan ase moi jisu tu kun bi dikha nai holi bi amakan dikha jisu tu apna khan ase etia bi itu ground available ho nai amna khan logote etia bi bisas kuri gina rakhibo aru Assam Rifle de yannu khan tu etia ekjun duyun ase itu bi etia Assam Rifle de ki pus ulai lebi yannu chokra chukri khan tu unemployed youth khan bishi ase itu bi amna khan paja kane lobo koigena ama khan itu bi akha kori ase aru secondly manpang bra itu sport time de ground tu ji huile bi moi kosis kuri sabo enga tai bra commitment khaise tu moi bhamna kuri se iman dangor kile commitment khaise na tai bra tu moi enga mondu kuri gena thaki je huile bi isor bra tai logote moram hoi gena kiman officer khan army khan officer khan ase tai mela meli hoi gena tai laga kotha khuni gena moram lagi gena tai du ground ani dise bishi kusi paise amna family amna life te long life tu isur bra he dibo ko na itu bi jana dise aru etia amahan student khan itu financial bishi problem ase itu kane sir khan amna khan logote mangibo gon net bi nai wali bon bi nai table tennis pi nai, একো নাই টেবল টেনিস বি দিবি আৰু বেডমিণ্টন বি দিবি হকি বি খেলিব সব খেলিব আপনাখান কি দিব এইটো সব খেলিব বইখান এইটোতো আপনাখান কাৰণে আমাৰ বেছি ব্লেছিং পাব কৈ না এইটো বি কৈ দিছে বেছি কথা কইলেতো মৌচম বি বিয়া হৈ যাব কইলে বি খুশি পোৱা মই এই প্ৰগ্ৰাম এইটো লগা প্ৰগ্ৰাম দে কথা কবলে ইয়ানো ষ্টুডেন্ট আংপা পৰা লেট কৰি গনা মই গে এনেকা টাইম দেখানি বেছি খুশি পাইছে এতিয়া এতিয়া বি আপনাখান সে আপনাখান লগতে হপ কৰি থাকিব আমাৰ খানটো কোন লগতে বি মাঙিবলৈ চান্স নাই আপনাখানকে মাঙি থাকিব ইয়ানো আমরা সদায় কিলে মাঙি থাকিছে না এনেকা নাভাবি থাকিব কাৰণে এইটো বি আপনাখানকে ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছে মই লগা কথা ইমানহে জয় হিন্দ আসাম রাইফল মন কমান্ডার আজি এনেকা এইটো লগা প্রোগ্রাম দে আহিব পারা কাৰণে বেশি খুশি পাইছে থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Happy Aoleang. Respected today's chair lady, most respected our special guest, Lieutenant Colonel Sarkar Hapa, 2IC 42 AR, and also Captain Subham, VS Visit Post Commander, who have accompanied him. At the outset, I extend my Aoleang greetings on behalf of me and my entire family. And also, I would like to warmly welcome both of you to this Aoleang celebration. Most importantly, ground inauguration program. Thank you so much for being with us today, despite your hectic schedules and bad weathers, all these roads. You have taken trouble to come up all this way just to be with us to inaugurate this special program. We have lots to say, but words alone are not enough to say thank you so much for being with us today. Uh, Without further ado, this saga of this football ground, Yannu football ground, just say it dates back to early 60s only. So during that early days, only ME schools they used to have a football ground. Otherwise, the village don't usually have it. So in the early 60s, I was told that, and I've seen a letter addressed to the government of Nagaland through the SIS visit, requesting for the construction of football ground at Yanbu. So the history is it goes back to since 1960, but then it never materialized. Again, after that, also we have approached so many government machineries or even our elected representatives and various capacity, but then it never materialized. Again, in the year 2010 something, also again the road construction company they promised to construct this football ground. Again, that was also not materialized. So despite this village being a big village, we do not have the football ground. We were playing just in a small place which was earlier dug by these villagers through spade and some other wooden means. I was told that even some few neighboring villages also joined in constructing this football field. But fortunately today we are able to see this football ground. We are so blessed. the villagers are taking my name, but then actually it is the Assam Rifles who have sanctioned all these things. I'm really grateful to you. In the first place, I had approached our earlier previous CEO, Colonel Rawat, and I hoodwinked him. I just told him that it will take just 2 weeks to construct this football ground, and he agreed. But then this, as you can see, that this is a massive mountain, so we were not able to achieve the desired result. Again, we had to pursue. We had no other options. Again, we pursued with the Assam Rifles only. So it was pursued, and then again, today they've sanctioned it. So the villagers are very proud, and it is a momentous. It is a very happy moment for us. People have not seen this ground. Many have passed away, but we are now a living witness, and the generation will be playing in this football field. So the generations, and for those of us who are witnessing, we are truly blessed by the sanction the Assam Rifles has given to us. And I assure you that my villagers will remain ever indebted to the Assam Rifles. We have some of our boys serving this great nation. Again, provided the given the opportunity, we are ready to serve this nation also. So I don't. So with these few words, I thank the Assam Rifles fraternity, and I also would like to request our special guest today to convey this message on behalf of my village, that we are very happy and we are very contented, and the satisfaction we had today, that you have seen in our faces, that you have witnessed the entire thing. I would request you to convey this message.
AR, and then Captain Subham Vyas, TZ Post Commandant, for your presence with us. We are truly honored to have you in our midst to celebrate this very auspicious occasion. Now I give time to the special guest for the speech.
Respected elders, uh, or Ang Diptiang, Sri Manpang, Sri Nobo Wangno, Village Council Member, Yanu Student Union, and Yanu Baptist Church Member. I'm very overwhelmed that you have invited me here and given me such a respect. মই খান নাগামিজটো বেছি ভাল নাই অলপ অলপে শিকিছো নতুন মানুহ আছে তো না so I will continue in my English only, okay. It is truly an honor for me to present here today as a special guest on such a vibrant and cultural rich celebration. Aoleang marks not just the arrival of spring but also symbolize new beginning, prosperity and unity among the people that I have been witnessing here, not only in Yanu but all over the eastern Nagaland. I would like to take this moment to appreciate the effort of the organizer and the community for keeping this beautiful tradition alive. It is very good to see that, like, still this we are in the modern era, we are changing so much, but you're keeping the culture alive. And by doing this, by organizing such event, our coming generation will also carry this touch in future, and our identity will survive. Otherwise it will perish. ये खत्म हो जाएगा. As a representative associated with the Assam Rifle, I would also like to reaffirm our commitment to peace, harmony and develop in the region. We as a person in the uniform, what we want is like a development of our place with peace and harmony. We are not against anybody, but we are like what we used to say, the Assam Rifle is the friends of the hill. It is like only एकता ही मानू तो काम ना कर पाए है ना, लेकिन एक साथ हुए तो इमान भी काम तो easy हो जाए है ना. तो I will also sincerely thank to Mr. Manpa. So we together now this football field which has come up here, है ना? इटा सिर्फ football field नहीं, इटा तो एक जगह जहाँ our छोटू खान बच्चा खान तो future बनाई से, है ना? They will not only play football, there will be other activities which will be done in this ground. Slowly, as already mentioned, since we have taken one step, एक step to leave it, तो road construction और इता मोर का तो promise ना करे भाई, लेकिन slowly development we will develop this place. Either it is will be from Assam Rifle or from any agency, we'll try to develop this place. Regarding our chairman have also told about the employment in the Assam Rifle, we can't just enroll anybody, but yes, we have organized a training in nearest is Tijit, so you can send your bacha khan there for the training. कि ट्रेनिंग की पैसे तो भालो ट्रेनिंग पैसे तो इता तो कोहिमा हो जखामा हो कि बान भी जैसे तो इता से आसाम राइफल भी नहीं पुलिस खान CISF है ना अग्निवीर everywhere it will be important. So this training is being done at the all the COB. Like if your children are studying in Bon Battalion headquarters be training देवे है ना so you have to encourage for everyone to come to the mainstream and bring our people united together है ना and without saying further I would rest my word here only and thank you very much बेसी खुशी पाइसे मोय तो चलो thank you
For gracing this occasion, not only with your presence but with your words.
Anpa sajanu, upati nusu, yoba sang nusa, oyang hobu, ani be program